Guess who I found? Hello, welcome to Deeply Rooted Sbahle.
Hey, how are you?
Fantastic. Like, you don't even need an introduction, honey. Everybody knows you.
So guys,
Okay, introduce yourself.
my name is Sbahle Mpisane. I'm fitness bunny. Okay, let's
Fitness bunny is all we need, honey. Okay, so just watched your reality show. Loved it. Loved the bond between you and your mom. I mean, how was it like making a reality show? And it really seemed real. How was the process?
It was, besides like knowing that people are recording what you're doing, I mean, you're doing what you have to do. I mean, I was going to go see like you're doing everything that you have to do, and then there are people there, so everything is so realistic. That's why we talk, however, we have fun. Everything is just too perfect, and I genuinely loved it, It wasn't like pressure where I had to look all good or do this or do ABC.
I can tell that you were very comfortable, but what I want to find out, Uguzi, you've had a huge change in your life, right? From fitness bunny to fitness bunny, but on another level. You know what I'm saying? Because now you're actually better than, I must say, like, I would never be able to do. So, what are you trying to get people to know about you or know about the process you're going through right now?
I'll say for me, from being fitness bunny, the one was, doing so well. I mean, I miss her already. And being the person I am now, at first I was very depressed, because I was like, I've got scars and I'm like, I can't move. It's very depressing. It's a depressing journey, but I took a turn where I got tired of crying and, I got tired of crying and everything, and they'll get me a little things that I like, but I'll still be crying and sad. And I just decided to say, you know what, I've never been a person who goes to church before and who believes so much in God, but I was like, I'm just going to give myself to him. And he literally turned my life around. Like, if I had to proper speak about my connection with God, everything I say and everything I do, knowing that God is behind me, you guys will be so shocked.
Babe, the only way you can get through something like this is if God is saying, Yazin, you better recognize. So I understand all about that spiritual journey where God puts you in a place where all you have is to count on Him. I get it. Okay, I want to ask you something very controversial right now. What does your father think about this reality show?
I mean, the show is not about, we're not exposing him in any manner. So it's not a thing of, we are doing him wrong. It's mom's show where it's basically her lifestyle. So the real show is basically reflecting her lifestyle, and then we are still part of her lifestyle, so we are there. So if you are still part of her lifestyle, we'll be there too.
I've got you, baby. But lastly, 2020 matrix. Look in the camera and just give a message to every 2020 matric this year.
Guys, listen, if you passed, I'm very happy for you. Big ups, like, well done. If you didn't make it, this year is another year for you to make it up to yourself and your family. So if you failed last year, make sure you don't fail this year. So make us all proud, actually. Make us all proud. You need to.
From the fitness bunny herself, I love you. Keep going. You're going to do amazing. You're inspiring so many people, baby.